Hello everyone, welcome to the U.S. Immigration. July 5th has brought with it a wave of promising developments in the U.S. immigration landscape. And if you're someone who's applied for a green card, waiting for a family petition to move forward, or depending on a work permit to stay employed, this is an update you'll want to hear. After a year filled with uncertainty and mounting backlogs, the second half of 2025 is showing some clear signs of progress, with key immigration categories from family-based sponsorships to naturalization and employment authorization all seeing movement. More importantly, the tone at USCIS has shifted, with a visible effort to increase processing efficiency, reduce delays, and support reunification goals while maintaining system integrity. In this video, we'll break down the latest USCIS changes, visa bulletin updates, EAD timelines, and citizenship developments, and explain how they could directly benefit you or your loved ones in the months ahead. If you are liking this video, please hit the bell button, subscribe, and like it so you can get updates straight to your smartphone. Now, let's get into the video. Starting with the August 2025 Visa Bulletin, many family-based applicants are seeing long-awaited movement in their cases, with categories like F2A, covering spouses and minor children of green card holders, advancing to April 1, 2025, across all chargeability areas, allowing more families to prepare their green card applications. The F2B category for unmarried adult children has also moved forward, especially for heavily backlogged regions like Mexico, and broader categories like F3 and F4 are making modest, steady progress, allowing more families to submit adjustment of status applications earlier and reunite faster. Another positive development is that USCIS continues to follow the dates for filing chart for family-sponsored adjustment applications, so even if your final action date hasn't been reached, you may still be able to file in August, which honestly opens a window of opportunity for thousands to get their documents in early. Just a quick reminder here, starting July 3, 2025, USCIS will only accept the updated 01/2025 edition of the medical examination form. Submitting an older version will result in rejection, so it's really important to double-check that every form, especially the I-693, is current. Moving on to marriage-based green cards, procedural changes now include updated versions of Forms Y-485, I-129F, and I-130, all with clearer language around legal marriage requirements and fraud alerts. There's also a key update for refugees and asylees applying through marriage, requiring that any marriage filed or pending since March 3rd be legally valid where it occurred. This, honestly, reflects a broader 2025 trend of balancing efficiency with scrutiny. So, work permits remain time-sensitive, with EADs still averaging about 5 to 7 months to process. That's actually manageable if applications are timely, complete, and aligned with current form additions. And with new application fees under H.R. 1 taking effect on August 21st, USCIS will, reject any EAD filings without the correct payment. TPS and asylum applicants continue benefiting from automatic extensions during renewals. Citizenship processing is improving too, with Director Joseph Edlow confirmed in July and USCIS working to restore pre-pandemic efficiency. This is bringing N400 wait times to around 11 to 13 months in most cities, which is a pretty significant improvement. Across the country, permanent residents, from former DACA recipients to refugees and elderly parents, are finally completing their naturalization journeys. Consular operations are also recovering, with embassies in India, Mexico, and the Philippines now offering appointment wait times between 2 weeks and 3 months. The pilot program allowing certain employment-based visa holders to renew their visas within the United States is expected to expand by the end of the year, potentially eliminating expensive travel for many. Though backlogs persist, applicants are encouraged to book early and stay flexible. As of July, USCIS still faces over 7 million pending applications, but internal improvements, like expanded dates for filing use, updated forms, digital intake enhancements, hiring boosts, and fewer clerical rejections, are making a visible difference. Current timelines show family-based green cards processing in roughly 9 to 15 months, citizenship in 11 to 13 months, EAD renewals in 5 to 7 months, Form I-130 in 14 to 15 months, and consular interviews in 2 weeks to 3 months depending on location. Overall, despite continued challenges in backlog management and fraud detection, 2025 is shaping up to be a year of practical progress. Family-based immigration remains supported, green card processing is stabilizing, naturalization is a priority, and employment authorization remains protected through clear rules and automatic extensions. For immigrants across the United States and around the world, the message is clear. The system is opening up, and with solid preparation, the path forward is stronger than it has been in years. The U.S. Immigration Hub channel provides all necessary visa information and procedures for your immigration journey, helping you understand U.S. processing steps, requirements, timelines, forms, fees, and more. We will continue offering updates on visitor visas like B1, B2, work visas like L1A, L1B, and H1B, student visas, green cards, immigrant visas including EB1 through EB5, and family-based visas.